What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and we're going for a test drive in a 1965 Mustang Convertible. This one here is, I believe, to be 260 under the hood with power steering. So in this video, we'll be taking it down the road. Any flaws that I see, I'll let you know about. That way you know what you're buying before you get here. We sell many cars out of state, California, Texas, New York, and we're right here in Tennessee, so. Check out the walk around video. It'll be located in the last 30 seconds of this video. Also have shipping and financing available for all these cars and 100 detailed pictures at maplemotors.com. Every Monday update with new inventory, so be sure to go over there and check that out. All right, now that you know about us, let's find some more out about this car. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, look around the interior. Go ahead and place your bets. Do you think this horn works? Interior in this thing is nice, practically new. Same with the top. Starts up nice and easy. The temp gauge is coming up. We're gonna have to go to the gas station to check this gas gauge though. Radio. It's working. Blower motor. Same thing, working. Wipers. Check. Horn. Oh yeah. It's about that time. Let's hit the road. All right, so we're gonna fasten our seat belts before we take off here. I went ahead and rolled both windows up. That way we can cancel out some of the wind noise. But I do like leaving the top down. It's a great day to be cruising at 57 degrees. Tell you what, Tennessee's wild with its weather. All right, so anything that I see, I will let you know. If it's not right, you're gonna know about it. This thing's smooth. Steering's real smooth. Speedometer's coming up on the dash. We're going straight as an arrow down the road, not pulling left or right. Steering's really tight, nice and tight. Engine temps up. Let's check this kick down. Down's not working, but I manually shifted it down. The brakes feel good on this one. Window is vibrating a little bit from the wind. Normally you don't drive a convertible around with your windows up though. So we're coming up on the gas station. I'm going to pull in here, get about $20 worth of premium fuel, and we'll continue this test drive. And we're going to check the gas gauge. Right now the gas gauge is buried on the E. Kind of feeling like it may just be out of gas. We'll find out here in just a second. They must have just redone all the steering on this thing. It is super smooth. We do have turn signals popping up on our dash on both sides too. Okay, getting ready to put some gas in it. Go ahead and show you where you do that. It's right here in the middle and at the back. It looks like it's got a brand new gas tank underneath. Put it in right there. Check this out. Brand new. and we'll check that gauge out. All right, we'll try to make it quick. The guy's shoveling behind me, but we got this. So, gas gauge is not working on this. We'll go ahead and start it up and get out of here. Okay, got y'all in the window this time. I haven't used this angle in a while. Kind of set y'all in the driver's seat. We're gonna head on back to the lot now. Looks like our engine tip is good to go. I really like this car. Very smooth, nice to drive. The only thing that doesn't work is the gas gauge, and I think that may be something to do with the new gas tank. All right, let's take off here. Hopefully it's not too much wind noise. Road that's got the speed bump in it, kind of give you an idea on suspension. This car here is very smooth, so you might not even notice it. You got to manually turn off your turn signals, and the speed bump is right here. Pretty smooth. Green light here. We're about to pull right back into the car lot. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. I want you to watch the walk around too, point out any kind of flaws on the outside of the body. And then go on over to maplemotors.com to see the detailed pictures. With all that information, you'll know everything about this car. And I got my next candidate right there. Appreciate y'all watching. Thanks again. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. I post videos every day. If you hit the notification bell, every time I post a new car for sale, it'll alert you. Just like this one. Whenever I get done with the Impala, it'll be up and running. Two-part video, a walk around of the car, and one's a test drive. I do have shipping, I do have financing. It's at maplemotors.com along with 100 detailed pictures and all of our inventory. We get new inventory every Monday and we upload it all to the website. So if you don't see it on there, we don't have it available. Just simple as that. I appreciate y'all watching. Thanks ahead of time for sharing these videos. Y'all have a good one. I got more work to do.